Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a spin turn with a Spike Prime robot. And you might ask, Mr. Hino, why do I want to spin? And some of you might be doing first LEGO League where the area that you're trying to get your robot in and turn is very tight. And so you'd want to do a spin rather than a turn just to be able to maneuver that space. So today, I'm going to show you the program and show you exactly how it's going to look. So the first thing you're going to want to do is set up your movement motors. So I have my motors plugged into C and D. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. And then the next thing, I'm going to set my movement speed to 10%. I want it to go slow enough just so you can see the entire spin. And then you want to go to your move block. And I have mine set for move right at 90 degrees. And then for the actual degrees here, I'm going to set it at 400. That should be a perfect 180 degree spin. Now on the flip side here, if you wanted to do a 360 degree spin, it's completely the same, and you would just obviously double your degrees. So if I'm going from 180 to 360, that's just double. So I'm going to take the 400 degrees and just double it to 800. Guys, so there you go. It's pretty simple. Obviously, you're going to add in some forwards and backwards and other things like that. But when you get to the part where you need to make a spin, that's as easy as it gets. And you saw from that mat, thank you again, Geyer Instructional Programs, for that mat to be able to show you that it's exactly either 180 degrees, or if you want to do a 360 degree spin, you can do that too. So thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.